Hey guys, you don't welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers. I'm going to try to get all the coins. So I'm doing pretty good so far. Got the magnet, which if I'm like right here, I'll just magnetize them. Or if I'm like really far away. So yeah. Get a jetpack. This is my favorite one. It's the jetpack. It's super fun, in my opinion. Get a mystery box. What? So yeah, I'm doing really good. It's kind of easy actually. I'm not, no, sorry if you hear people being really annoying outside. My sisters are really loud. I don't really care either. Go under this. Jump. Turn. Go up. Yo yeet. Yo yeet. Oh, I almost died. So, I can just run on these sides. I'm not getting any of them because I'm on magnets. Ow. Alright, well, I died. Wait, I guess we'll try again. Mystery box, coins. We got coins. I don't want that. I'm gonna press play again. Oh, I missed it. Man, I wanted that so bad. That would look cool if I jumped and grabbed it. Like the last time I didn't die. Like my first time. Now I had advanced shoes, so if basically I can jump really high, and if I go over the coins, it's like a magnet on the bottom. And I could jump over trains, so and the coins will just get stuck to the Patsy shoes. So I almost died. Oh, shoot. Shoot. No. Oh, man. I'm recording a video. So, well, they bounce and stuff. And I died. Then, alright. Again. So, yeah. This is a little bit quieter over here, so, yeah, hopefully we don't die again. Alright, this time I'm not gonna mess up. Oh, I messed up again. That was pathetic. I said this time I'm not gonna mess up. What does that mean? I mess up? Probably. I'm gonna stop jumping now. Oh yeah, by the way, Subway Surfers is like, it's not like Subway Eat Fresh, it's like, these guys, they spray paint on walls to get a bunch of coins, and then this cop finds them, and, they basically try to run while trying to get all the coins, and the cool power-ups that they have. Sorry. I'm tough, but it's a really fun game. I enjoy it thoroughly. I'm trying not to die here. Man, I thought that was a bouncy shoe.
Hold on a second.
Oh, I died. Okay, so I suck because I died. This is the last round that I'm gonna end the video after. Alright, so I'm gonna try to keep this short but long, so I can upload it to YouTube. Other YouTubers do this, by the way. Like, if you know Zach Scott Games, he does this. Where, like, you only can see the screen, not his face. But I'm doing that, too. So, it's actually very easy to find out how to do this. I need a snap. Or, like, zoom in extremely close, but I use Snap, so it's better. Next game we're gonna play, by the way, is probably gonna be some Roblox action. It's actually really fun. I like making videos a lot. Oh man, I almost died there. Yeah, I'm a really good player at this game. I played it since I was like 6 or 7, and I'm 11 right now. This game's really fun, actually. Oh. See, look at guys. If I still have these bouncy shoes. Look at, I'm gonna jump. Oh, I lost it right when I was gonna show you. I am not a noob at all in this game. I've been playing this game for a really long time. Oh, what? How did that happen? I love going under this. Whoa. Oh. I think this is my high score. Yeah, I think this is a high score. I'm going really fast now. Really fast. Whoa. Alright. Oh. 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 I'm actually doing really well. This has to be a high score for my family. My highest my family got is 300, and I have 600. This is definitely a high score. Oh no! Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.